No gold is not in her. She's a
Hello my friends, Shiny Kids here. Welcome to our another video. Today I am going to teach you about Tux Paint. Tux Paint helps us to draw wonderfully on the computer. We have 11 tools in Tux Paint. The 11 tools are Paint tool, Stamp tool, Lines tool, Shapes tool, Text tool, Label tool, Fill in color tool, Magic tool, Undo tool, Redo tool, Eraser tool. My friends, the first tool that I'm going to teach you about is Paint tool. Paint tool shows us different kinds of brushes. My friends, the next tool that I'm going to teach you about is Stamp tool. We have 6 stamps in Stamp tool. Stamp tool helps us to stamp pictures on the picture. My friends, the next tool that I'm going to teach you about is Line tool. Line tool helps us to draw a line. My friends, the next tool that I'm going to teach you about is Shapes tool. Shapes tool helps us to draw shapes and rotate them. So my friends, the next tool that I'm going to teach you about is Text tool. Text tool helps us to type text. So the next tool that I'm going to teach you about is Label tool. Label tool helps us to label the text. My friends, the next tool that I'm going to teach you about is Fill in color tool. Helps us to color the whole page. So the next tool that I'm going to teach you about is Magic tool. The Magic tool helps us to put magics on the picture. When you do a mistake, we use undo and redo to redo the work. My friends, the last tool that I'm going to teach you about is Eraser tool. Eraser tool helps us to erase mistakes. My friends, the new tool helps us to open other pages. My friends, the Open tool helps us to open saved files. And the Save tool helps us to save pictures. The Print tool helps us to print pictures. My friends, the Quit tool helps us to quit the Tux Paint program. We are going to color an aeroplane. My friends, I am going to color the aeroplane. The blue aeroplane is going to be blue. Sky blue will be the wings. And a light grey will be the engines. And the fan. Now my friends, I am going to color the sky. Now my friends, I am going to color the sky. Yellow one, and now let's add some stars. Now I am going to undo the mistake. My friends, now I am going to stamp the pictures. I am going to stamp the pictures on the picture. My friends, now I am going to use magic tool and let's add some magic. Now let's keep little. Now my friends, magic tool helps us to put magic effects on the computer. I am going to color the windows. Sky blue color. Now my friends, I am going to text aeroplane. The save tool helps us to save pictures. The open tool helps us to open a saved file. The print tool helps us to print the picture. The quit tool helps us to quit Tux Paint program. Now my friends, we have learned all the tools in Tux Paint. My friends, we have learned all the tools in Tux Paint. Hit the bell icon, like and subscribe our video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching our video.